Hey Kscopers, welcome to Seattle in the Washington State Convention Center. Kevin and I are Kevin McGinley.
Hi everyone.
Stewart Bryson, we're both of Red Pill Analytics. We are honored to be interviewing for the second year in a row Mr. Mike Durran, product manager with Oracle. So Mike, tell us a little bit about what you do for Oracle.
So I'm a product manager at Oracle, and I work on the business intelligence products.
Yep.
I interestingly work on the back end side of things, so I very rarely do anything with the front end tools. So it's a lot to do with the life cycle, the infrastructure side of things, kind of like a BI watchmaker.
Yeah. Okay. All right. No jokes.
I'm just giving you guys material.
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna have to stew on that one for a minute. But so tell us a little bit. So today, today's Tuesday while we're recording this. Today at 4:45, you have your black box implementations presentation.
Yeah.
So it kind of naturally runs from what you were talking about. So tell us what's involved in that talk.
Yeah, sure. So basically, after the roaring success of my session at last year's Kscope,
which was about magic beans.
On magic beans.
Magic beans. Google that.
I'm trying to up the ante a little bit this year by extending the topic, so that we're talking a lot more about the various APIs and programmatic interfaces that Oracle BI offers. So in keeping with that BI watchmaker theme, this is kind of really how you can interact with your analyses and dashboards without ever going to the UI. So it's kind of BI by stealth, if you like.
So does that mean you're going to announce the iWatch then later today?
It's actually an iFish.
We'll get to the fish later here.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Kevin.
My co-presenter.
Yeah.
So interacting with reports and dashboards without actually having to go in and look at reports and dashboards, that's going to sound, maybe a little bit crazy and far-fetched.
Yeah.
What's a little bit of sort of a sneak peek at what's that all about? Like how do you?
Why would you want to do it?
Why would you want to do that?
Yeah.
And how does it work a little bit?
Yeah, are you just wasting people's time? Or is
absolutely, yeah.
Is this presentation actually going to be beneficial
don't we always waste people's time?
To anyone.
So far, I think
the world would want to see this.
anybody watching this has already wasted 3 minutes of their life.
But they know they're going to see the announcement of the iWatch coming today at Tuesday at 4:45.
So tell us who would benefit, if anyone,
everybody.
from this session.
Everybody. Especially the fish.
The fish.
So the kind of use case, the typical use case is you have a application, a third-party application, and you want to embed some information from business intelligence, some reporting capabilities into that application. You don't want to go off and build your own BI system, so you can take advantage of all the functionality that's in Oracle BI to programmatically bring that data back into your application. So that's kind of just one example of how you may use the Oracle BI web services, for instance. There's another. We've got a number of topics that we're talking about. We're also talking about being able to silently install the product, being able to change configuration settings, change the RPD, the kind of things, the sort of things that are up your street as well, the sort of work that you're doing with Red Pill. In addition, being able to change the skin. So pretty much everybody who implements BI will want to put their corporate logos, change the color scheme. So we'll kind of give you an idea of how you can do that sort of tweaking of the look and feel as well, and we'll show some examples of real world sites, some US government type sites who have actually embedded Oracle BI into their portals.
So can I ask, maybe you can say this, maybe you can't, but is the great UI that we're going to be seeing on the new Oracle Cloud offering, is that an example of this, using the APIs, or
Probably not in that case.
Okay.
I mean, that's probably enhancements to the presentation services to call the functions that are already there.
Okay.
In some cases, some of the original mobile type capabilities, I think we're using some of the web services in the back end.
Okay.
So it's basically the main kind of premise is that the whole concept of a black box is you put something in and something comes out, but you don't really know or care what it's doing in that kind of magic sphere of influence.
Yep.
Where the BI watchmakers live.
So to that end, is this a highly technical session, or can you see more sort of intermediate users of the system taking advantage of that for that reason, because they don't have to know?
It's about as technical as it gets.
Okay.
I'm going to be showing Java, I'm going to be showing WLST. I'm not going to be showing binary, but there's a few hours to prepare. I might get some ones and zeros on there, just for you guys.
Great, perfect.
Awesome.
You just sold me on it.
Excellent.
So let's talk about Kscope. I think I ask you this every year, but how many is this for you?
So
we're up to 84, by the way.
84, yeah, joined.
So top that.
I noticed that this year's T-shirt is amazing because it has all the different Kscopes.
It's awesome.
And I started in 2003 in Miami. I haven't been to all of them. Like I said last year, I missed a few when my children were born, and I think maybe a couple of others. But so I've lost count.
Yep. And so,
I've run out of numbers to.
Besides this one, which one's the best?
Which one's the best? Yeah, well, obviously the current one's always up there, but the Queen Mary always sticks in the mind as being an excellent event. Segways, excellent partying on the boat. But Seattle. Got a lot to offer.
Yeah.
and you traveled a long way here. You're based out of the UK.
That's right.
For the international sort of audience who might want to consider attending Kscope, thoughts on making it worth the while to come overseas and
absolutely.
And hang out?
I mean, it's all about people, right? And the community is very strong at ODTUG, and it's getting stronger. There's new people coming along every year. And it just makes so much difference having spent a bit of time with people to your ongoing sort of working relationship going forward. I mean, I was absolutely shocked to discover the other night that I'd known Stewart for 6 years.
Absolutely. Where did we first meet?
No idea.
Kscope.
There you go.
And
so make lifelong friends at Kscope.
Yeah, I mean, I think I met you for the first time at Kscope potentially as well in Long Beach, if I recall.
Oh, right, yeah.
So
Yeah.
But all right, well,
want to take us home, Kevin?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for taking the time to
no problem. Thanks
Mike.
for having me.
Mike Durran from Oracle, Oracle BI Product Management, for Kevin McGinley and
Stewart Bryson.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.